Hello dear student, we will start constructive interference. We will study about the interference. We know that what is interference, so we have to study today constructive interference. There are the two type of condition, is constructive interference and destructive interference. For the constructive interference, we draw the figure here. S1, this is the source S1, and now we draw the source S2. And here the screen. From the source S1, there are the waves. It is incident on the point P, and from S2 it is incident point P, and this gives a interference. So the waves from the S1 we take the path 7 lambda, and from S2 we take the path 9 lambda. Students, from the figure we can write S1p minus S2p. Here the S2p is greater than the S1p, so we have to take S2p, and here it is S1p. So it is 9 lambda minus 7 lambda. It is cos for the 2 lambda. This is the path difference. We know that the phase difference it is 2 lambda. We decide the sign of path difference, it is delta. So 2 lambda upon delta, 2 lambda upon 2 pi upon lambda into delta. So 2 pi upon lambda into delta is equal to 2 lambda. Lambda is cancel. So the phase difference, it is denoted by phi. Phi is equal to 4 pi. What is the meaning of path difference and phase difference of S2p and S1p? So we can say this is the wave emanating from S1. Like અહીંથી જે waves નીકળે છે emanating S1 will arrive exactly 2 cycles earlier than the S2. એટલે કહેવાનો મારો મીનિંગ એ છે કે S1 માંથી જે waves નીકળે છે, બરાબર ને, એ S2 માંથી જે નીકળતા વેવ્સ છે એના કરતાં 2 સાયકલ વહેલું પહોંચે છે, અને એ આપણે આની ઉપરથી ડિસાઇડ કરી શકીએ. There are the S2p minus S1p is equal to 2 lambda. From the path difference we calculate the phase difference, and it is phi is equal to 4 pi. We just write the two equation. There are the y1 is equal to displacement equation from S1. The y1 is equal to a cos omega t, and y2, be careful, y2 is equal to a cos omega t minus 4 pi. એટલે કે there are the phase difference between the two waves, it is 4 pi. Yes. After that, there are some important notes for the constructive interference. Constructive interference, we have to decide the condition from that, and this condition is that the condition of constructive interference This is gives the n lambda. N is equal to, we take the 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. So I write the sentence of to understand the constructive interference is that the phase difference we know that the phase difference is 4 pi, but phase difference phi is equal to, for the phi is equal to 0, and otherwise I can say it is phi is equal to 2n pi. Put the values of n in phi. So a point at which the phase difference phi is equal to, we can say it is n is equal to 1, so it is 2 pi, n is equal to 2, it is 4 pi, n is equal to 3, it is 6 pi, and n is equal to n, it is up to the 2n pi. A point who has the phase difference 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi up to 2n pi, and this is this causes the constructive interference this point. So phi is equal to, we can, the phase difference is different at each point. Yes, now we take the path difference. Like a path difference whatever આપણે જો કામ કરીએ તો path difference is equal to, we know that it is n lambda and it is condition of constructive interference. So path difference, and we understand path difference is equal to n lambda. So n is equal to, આની અંદર આપણે બધી વેલ્યુ મૂકી દઈએ, બરાબર ને? તો પાથ ડિફરન્સ છે એ ડેલ્ટા ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ n is equal to, we put the 1, so it is lambda, we put the 2, it is 2 lambda, we put the 3, it is 3 lambda, and up to it is n lambda. So each and every point whose have the path difference, it is lambda, 2 lambda, 3 lambda up to n lambda. This gives a constructive interference. For the constructive interference, its intensity I is equal to 4I0. It is a maximum intensity. It is maximum intensity for the constructive interference. So this is the constructive interference, and this is the figure from figure. We can take it is 5 lambda, we can take it is 7 lambda, but path difference and phase difference, it is multiplication of the 2n pi and it is n lambda, and this gives us constructive interference. Now we will study about the destructive interference.